How DNS works, step-by-step, complete explanation. When you type a website like mypage.com, your computer has absolutely no idea where that website lives. So how does the internet find the correct server in milliseconds? The answer is DNS. And today, I'll explain it step by step using this exact diagram. What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as the phone book of the internet. Humans remember domain names like mypage.com, but computers communicate using IP addresses. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses so browsers can load websites. Step-by-step DNS flow. Step 1 to 2, local cache check. The moment you press enter, your computer first asks, do I already know the IP address for this domain? It checks browser cache, operating system cache, router cache, host file. If the IP is found here, DNS lookup ends immediately. That's why websites load faster the second time. Step 3. Query DNS resolver. If the IP is not found locally, your system sends a request to a DNS resolver. This resolver is usually provided by your ISP or public DNS services, like Google DNS or Cloudflare. Step 4 to 5. Root DNS server. The DNS resolver now asks the root DNS server, who manages .com domains. The root server does not give the IP address. Instead, it replies, ask the .com top-level domain server. Root servers know where to look, not the final answer. Step 6 to 7, tldserver.com. Next, the resolver contacts the .com TLD server and asks, who is authoritative for mypage.com? The TLD server responds with the address of the authoritative name server. Step 8 to 9, authoritative name server. Now comes the final authority. The resolver asks, what is the IP address of mypage.com? The authoritative name server replies with the actual IP address. This server always has the correct answer. Step 10, response back to client. The DNS resolver sends this IP address back to your computer and temporarily stores it in cache for future requests. Step 11 to 12, connect to real server. Finally, your browser uses this IP address to connect directly to the real web server, and the website loads successfully on your screen. Mission accomplished. Why DNS is fast? DNS works fast because caching reduces repeated lookups. Queries follow a hierarchical structure. Most requests never reach root servers. Interview-ready summary. In interviews, explain DNS like this. Local cache, resolver, root TLD authoritative web server. This exact flow can earn you full marks. Common mistakes to avoid. Remember, root servers do not store IP addresses. TLD servers do not store IP addresses. Only authoritative name servers provide IP addresses. If this explanation helped you finally understand DNS, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment DNS if you want advanced topics like DNS records, DNS attacks, or DNS over HTTPS.